doing?
There's Megan. Washing her hands.
Are you stalking me? Are you filming?
Yeah. Doors up! Crocky, look it over there. It's the bull in the natural habitat. If we're lucky, we might hear the world famous mating call of the bull. I have been practicing. I think it's gonna sound like I think yours would be more of a clucking. That's why I think that's how it's. Oh my God. I don't know. Looks like a male has accepted the call. Will she accept the mighty gift? They now exchange gifts to prove their love. And they will forever be mated like penguins in the Great Arctic. Sadly, this poor female will live her entire life without a mate. Excuse me. This young female will now live her life as a young bull. Next on the Discovery Channel, will this female ever get a mate? Right. We gotta show you this video when we get home. I've said a lot of stuff. And over.